is Angel. I am in grade 2. This is a Toyota Aqua. This is my dad's and mother's car. It's on petrol and battery. The car. The car has no sound because it's on battery. You must wear your seatbelts while driving. I can't drive this car because I'm a kid.
Really? You're a kid? Why don't you drive it? Let's go on the ring road.
No.
You don't wanna? Okay, what else about the car? I don't know. What's this? What's this? What does this do? What is it?
This is for parking. This is for driving. This is
Neutral?
neutral.
And that's for reverse? Okay, and this is for? This is an engine braking gear. This is when you are coming down from a mountain. Okay, cool. What is this?
This is for the AC.
Okay, nice. And what's this for?
This is for like songs or map here or some stuff.
Okay, where's the horn?
Here. Like.
Show me. Oh, nice. Okay, cool.
That's it for today, guys. Wait for my next video. Subscribe and like this video.